Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2019 68 plate BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe. Now this is the 420d M Sport, so full M Sport body styling. Then on top of that we've got the lovely M Performance body kit as well, so it looks absolutely ace in the flesh. The car itself finished in Alpine White, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. We've got LED daytime running lights, the lovely angel eyes, front and rear parking sensors. Then to the front, straight away you notice this nice gloss black lower splitter. Now alloy wheels, they've been powder coated in the gloss black, so all four wheels are in absolutely fantastic order. Those are 19-inch alloys, 5 twin spokes. You've got the M Performance braking system on this vehicle, so as you can tell behind the wheel you've got those lovely bright blue brake calipers to match the BMW emblem in the middle of your centre caps. Looking down the side of the car, M Performance decals, M Sport badge on the side. We've got privacy glass looking down the side of the vehicle, no dents or dings. You can tell whoever's owned the car has truly cherished it in their years of ownership. Now, coming through to the back, we've got the Gran Coupe little sticker on the back there. A nice aggressive boot lip spoiler. Rear parking sensors. And then looking down the passenger side, exactly the same. All in very, very nice order. No dents, no dings, bumper corner scuffs. All in superb order. So once you poke your head inside, then you get the lovely grained Dakota sports leather. So looking at the actual driver's seat, you can tell bolster, seat base, that's all in nice order. This is a two-way memory sport seat, so ideal if you're looking to share the car with a partner. You can be driver one, partner can be driver two, and that will fully adjust the seat to exactly where you want it. Now, poking our heads through to the back, that's exactly the same, all in very nice order. You've got a central armrest with cup holders, Isofix on the bottom for your child seats. Now, if we jump inside, starting on the door card, we've got 4 electric windows, park folding mirrors. We've got Harman-Kardon surround sound system as well. M Sport leather multifunction steering wheel, so on there is your limiter, your cruise control, your flappy paddles, voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. Now, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 37,114 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Looking at the centre dashboard, there's no lights on there, that's all as should be. Coming through to the centre then, we've got satellite navigation. Clicking through to the home menu, we've got our radio, navigation, connected drive, communications, my vehicle, vehicle status, and notifications as well. Coming down then, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver, heated front seats, central cup holders, center scroll wheel for the display, obviously the automatic box. You've got drive. Once you flick it into reverse, all your parking sensors engage. Once you're in drive, you can flick it into sport mode. You can go up and down the gearbox manually through there, or you can stick it into park and it all locks itself there. Drive select, central armrest, which is in nice order, USB within there, but the vehicle hasn't been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. You can tell it is a very nice, well cured, for example. So if you'd like anything further, give us a call, 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching.